Dear viewers, greetings. In this video, we are going to see about laminar airflow cabinet. The contents of this video includes an introduction about laminar airflow cabinet, followed by principle, types, instrumentation, steps, applications, advantages, limitations, and precautions for using laminar airflow cabinet. Laminar airflow cabinet. A laminar airflow cabinet is a laboratory equipment designed to provide a clean, sterile working environment by continuously supplying a stream of filtered air that moves in a uniform, unidirectional pattern. Laminar airflow cabinet helps to minimize the contamination of sensitive materials and experiments. A laminar airflow cabinet is a carefully enclosed bench designed to prevent contamination of semiconductor wafers, biological samples, or any particle-sensitive material. Laminar airflow cabinet provides a sterile environment by controlling the airflow in the cabinet, which passes through HEPA filter or high-efficiency particulate filters, ensuring that the air is particle-free and directed in a uniform flow. The first use of laminar airflow in clean rooms was pioneered by Willis Whitefield in 1962, leading to modern contamination control techniques. Principle of laminar airflow cabinet. Laminar airflow cabinets operate on the principle of Bernoulli's law. The working principle of laminar airflow cabinet is based on the uniform, unidirectional movement of air at constant speed. The air moves through a HEPA filter that removes particles, including microorganisms, from the air, creating a contamination-free environment. The airflow is laminar, that is unidirectional, ensuring minimal turbulence and preventing particles from entering or circulating within the work area. Types of laminar airflow cabinet. There are three types of laminar airflow cabinet. They are horizontal laminar airflow, vertical laminar airflow, and biosafety cabinets. Horizontal laminar airflow. In horizontal laminar airflow, air flows from the back of the cabinet horizontally to the front. It is used in applications where airflow over the sample area should not come from above. The second type is vertical laminar airflow. In vertical laminar airflow, air flows from the top vertically downward, and it is commonly used in microbiology to protect both the sample and the user from contamination. This type of cabinet is more efficient in ensuring uniform particle distribution. Biosafety cabinets. The biosafety cabinets, sometimes grouped with laminar airflow hoods, and protects not only the product but also the operator and the environment by filtering both inflow and outflow of air. Instrumentation of laminar airflow cabinet. The laminar airflow cabinet contains 6 major parts. They are HEPA filter, blower or fan, pre-filter, illumination, control panel, and work surface. HEPA filter. The HEPA filter is present within the cabinet that makes the environment more sterile for the operation. The pre-filtered air passes through the filter, which traps fungi, bacteria, and other dust particles. The filter ensures a sterile condition inside the cabinet, thus reducing the chances of contamination. Filters air to remove 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns in size. Blower or fan. The blower or fan draws in air from the environment and forces it through the HEPA filters. Pre-filter. The pre-filter is an initial air filter that removes large particles to prevent clogging of the HEPA filter. illumination, a UV light for sterilization when the cabinet is not in use, and a fluorescent light for workspace visibility. Control panel. The control panel is usually located at the front with switches to control the blower, lights and other features. Work surface. Stainless steel or similar material to provide a clean and easy to sterilize surface. Steps for using laminar airflow cabinet. In step 1, turn on the cabinet and allow the airflow to stabilize for at least 15 to 30 minutes to ensure that the working area is particle free. In step 2, sterilize the working area using 70% ethanol or another disinfectant before placing any material inside. In step 3, wear proper protective gear such as gloves and a lab coat. In step 4, minimize air disturbances by moving hands and materials slowly to avoid turbulence. In step 5, place only essential items inside the cabinet to avoid overcrowding and blocking airflow. In step 6, after work, clean the surface again and if necessary, use UV light to sterilize the cabinet. In step 7, turn off the cabinet or leave the airflow on depending on the lab protocols. Applications of laminar airflow cabinet. In microbiology research, laminar airflow cabinet provides a sterile environment for handling bacterial cultures and preventing contamination. In pharmaceutical industry, laminar airflow cabinet is used to maintain sterile conditions for the preparation of drug formulation. In tissue culture, laminar airflow cabinet provides a contamination-free environment for the growth of cells, tissues, or organs in an artificial medium. In semiconductor manufacturing, laminar airflow cabinet ensures particle-free condition for the production of microchips and other delicate electronic components. In sterile assembly, laminar airflow cabinet is very useful in assembling medical devices such as catheters where sterility is critical. In pathological laboratories, laminar airflow cabinet is used in preparing and handling sensitive diagnostic samples. In tissue culture, laminar airflow cabinet provides a clean environment for culturing tissues and cells. In food industry, laminar airflow cabinet is used for microbiological testing to ensure food safety. Advantages of laminar airflow cabinet. The advantages of laminar airflow cabinet includes sterile working environment, protection of samples, unidirectional airflow, ease of operation, controlled air quality, minimized risk of contamination, versatile applications, improved work safety, and low maintenance. Limitations of laminar airflow cabinet. The limitations of laminar airflow cabinet includes limited protection for the operator, not suitable for hazardous or pathogenic samples, no protection for the environment, airflow disruption, requires regular maintenance, limited space, not effective for airborne contaminants, energy consumption, UV sterilization limits, and not suitable for open frames. Precautions for using laminar airflow cabinet. Clean the workspace. Thoroughly clean the cabinet's interior and exterior to remove any dust, debris, or contaminants. Inspect the HEPA filter. Ensure the HEPA filter is clean and undamaged. If it is visibly dirty or damaged, replace it. Warm up the cabinet. Allow the cabinet to run for a few minutes to warm up and stabilize the airflow. Maintain aseptic techniques. Always use aseptic techniques to prevent contamination. This includes wearing sterile gloves, gowns, and masks. Minimize movement. Avoid unnecessary movement within the cabinet, as this can disturb the laminar airflow and increase the risk of contamination. Keep the cabinet closed. Keep the cabinet sash closed as much as possible, except when necessary for working. Avoid touching the HEPA filter. Never touch the HEPA filter, as this can damage it and compromise its effectiveness. Monitor airflow. Regularly check the airflow indicator to ensure the cabinet is operating correctly. Clean the workspace. Clean the workspace with the cabinet to remove any spills or contaminants. Decontaminate the cabinet. If necessary, decontaminate the cabinet using a suitable disinfectant. Turn off the cabinet. Turn off the cabinet and unplug it when not in use. Regular maintenance. Schedule regular maintenance and cleaning of the cabinet to ensure its optical performance. Proper ventilation. Ensure the cabinet is installed in a well-ventilated area to prevent the buildup of contaminants. Finally, avoid overloading. Avoid overloading the cabinet with too many items, as this can disturb the airflow and increase the risk of contamination. Dear viewers, that's all about the laminar airflow cabinet. Thank you for the support. Thank you.